The Appleton School District is letting parents know that cases of whooping cough have shown up at 5 of its schools. The city's health department confirms the cases were at 2 charter schools, Classical and Kaleidoscope. The second school is actually located in Roosevelt Middle School, and both North and West high schools also have cases of the illnesses. Also this afternoon, Ferber Elementary was added to that list. Whooping cough starts with a long series of coughing fits, which become worse over a week or two. Now, the coughing can be followed by vomiting, turning blue, or difficulty catching your breath. The illness is usually most serious for infants that have not been immunized and for preschoolers.